the hardest part of setting a boundary is not saying the words, right? It's what happens next. When the person you love looks at you like you just betrayed them. Some people will respect your boundaries the first time. Those are not the ones we need to talk about. The ones we need to talk about are the ones who push back, the ones who make you feel guilty for having limits in the first place, who say you've changed like that's an insult instead of the whole point, my guy. The whole point, the whole point. Guilt is the biggest weapon against your boundary. It's not the same everywhere. It's how guilty you feel depends on your culture, your family, what you were taught about loyalty, right? Dr. Rebecca Covarrubias found that with first generation from Latin American families, right? The further they went in education, the more guilt they carried. Not because their families were toxic, but two value systems were pulling them in opposite directions. This is where I keep coming back to Yoruba philosophy. Dr. Paul Akin-Otiko, a scholar who spent over a decade with Yoruba diviners and traditional medicine practitioners, developed a framework called Hu Ìwà. It means act towards the others as one with human flesh. They feel, they hurt, treat them with dignity. And your right to that same dignity basically is you were born with it. Ubuntu says I am because we are. Hu Ìwà says treat the others as one with human flesh. Different words, different traditions, same conclusion. Your humanity is not up for debate. So when somebody makes you feel like you have to earn the right to say no, that's not what these traditions teach, right? Your dignity is yours. Boundaries are how you honor it, right? The Yoruba proverb says it plainly. One does not, because of shyness, expose oneself to disease. Never be too shy to speak on your own behalf, right? When somebody resists your boundaries, remember this, you're not responsible for their reactions. You are responsible for how you communicate it. You can say, I love you, and this is what I need. Both things can be true. Starting today, when somebody pushes back on a limit, instead of giving in, just pause, feel the guilt, and ask yourself, is this guilt telling me I did something wrong, or is it telling me it's something new? Those are very different things. This content is educational, not therapy. If the resistance you feel involves threat or abuse, that is a safety situation, right? Please reach out to a professional who can help. Stay jiggy. Bless.